myself Mrs. Niyodita Matpati. Children, I am here with the value education. You already have learned the 2 lessons in the value education. Yes or no children? Yes. Today we will continue with the lesson 3. That is the fox and the goat. Okay. What is the lesson name children? The fox and the goat here. Okay. So children, you please open the textbook. You already know. This is the textbook. Yes, I can. A book of moral education. Here once again I am telling you, moral education and value education. Both are same here. We call both with the same name here. Okay. So now see with the third lesson. You have to open the page number. What is the page number? 12. Page number 12. See, lesson 3, the fox and the goat. So, let's get ready to read children. See, once upon a time, a fox was going somewhere. Means, once upon a time, okay, the fox, he was roaming somewhere outside. Okay children, he fell into a well. When he was roaming, at that time, suddenly it fell into a well there. You know children, this is the picture. You can see there. Okay, see, this is the well. You can see there how the fox is falling. Isn't it? See, he tried his best to come out but could not. When it fell down into the well, he tried his best to come out, but he was not able to come outside from the well. See, the next day a goat came that way. Means see here, full one day, isn't it? Today the fox fell inside the well. Full one day it didn't come outside from the well. Why here? Because it could not come outside. The fox tried to come, but here fox was not able to come outside the well. So next day, see, the next day a goat came that way. The goat saw the fox in the well. See here, the next day, full one day the fox was in the well only children. Got it? The next day on the same way, okay? On the same way, the goat was going from that way only. At that way, the goat saw the fox in the well. When the goat was moving from that road only, at that time, goat saw the fox in the well. What the goat will do? See here children. You can see to the next picture children here. See, the goat is near to the well and the goat saw the fox. You can see the fox is inside the well, isn't it? Yes, see. Now see what happens. The goat asked, "What are you doing here, fox?" See, by seeing the fox, goat asked here, "What are you?" The goat asked, "What are you doing here, fox?" See what the fox says. The fox replied, "I came here to drink water." What the fox said? Fox said to goat, "I came to drink water." It is very tasty here. What the fox said? It is very tasty. You can also come and enjoy this water. See what the fox said. The fox said, "I came here to drink. It's very tasty. If you want, you can also come and you can also drink the water. You can also enjoy it." See to the next page children here. See, the goat did not think anything. She jumped into the well. She drank water first. See, you can see the picture children. Already fox was in the well, isn't it? So, when the goat said, "You can also come and you can also enjoy." So, what the goat did? Goat did not think anything. Got it? When the fox said, goat did not think anything. What the goat did? She jumped into the well. Okay. What happened there? See, the goat did not think anything. She jumped into the well. She drank water first. What the goat did children here? When she jumped into the well, she didn't do anything. Just she drank the water first. Okay. You can see to the picture children. Both of them are in the well there. Isn't it? Next one, see the picture children here. Then she tried to get out of the well but could not. See here, already fox was in the well. It was also trying to come out, but it was not. The fox was not able to come out. Now, who is there with the fox? Goat also is there inside the well, isn't it? So, what the goat did? Goat first drank the water, and goat also tried to come outside the well. But goat also was not able to come outside the well here. See, then the fox said, see, fox made an idea here. Okay, see, I have an idea. What the fox said? I have an idea. You stand on your hind legs. I will climb on you and get out. What the fox made an idea. What the fox said? You stand on your hind legs. I will climb on and you get out. You stand. See here, children. Hind means here two legs. Two legs are up and two legs are down. You can see here how the fox is going up, isn't it? These are hints of legs. Okay, these are hints of goats. Okay. So what the fox said? Fox said to stand on the hinds. I will climb first. So you can see there. Now see to second one, children. Then I will pick you out too. The foolish goat did not understand this trick. What the fox made an idea. That what the fox said, you stand on the hind's leg, on your hind's leg. I will go out. When I will go out, then I will help you also to come out. Okay, so the foolish goat. Foolish means he was not, what the fox said, he said okay, she said. The goat said okay, we'll do like that only. So, as I showed you in the picture, the fox is coming out and the goat, she is standing on her hind's legs here. Okay, next. You can see to the next one, children. She did as the fox said. Okay. Who the goat did as the fox said here. The fox came out of the well. Isn't it? You can see there the fox came out of the well. While going away, the fox said, look what have you done to yourself because you jumped in without thinking. And the fox went away. The fox was left in the well. See how the fox did here. What the fox said? That water is tasty. So you can also come and you can also enjoy it. So this foolish goat, she did not think anything. She jumped into the well. First the goat, she drank the water. And the goat, she tried to come out. But she was not able to come out. So what the fox was very clever, okay children. So what the fox made here? The fox made an idea that the fox said to goat, see, you stand on your hind's legs. I will climb and I will go out of the well. Then I will help you to come out. So the goat got agreed. Okay, we'll do like that only. So the clever fox, it came outside the well and the fox did not help to the goat to come out. What the fox said, see, you did not think only. Before jumping you didn't think. So now you help me. So I am going. You stay here only. Isn't it? Is it the way children to do like this? No. This is the cheating, na? Yes. If you are telling your friend to come, then you should also help to your friend here. Isn't it? So don't do any cheating to your friends here. Okay, see. She did as the fox said, you know already. The fox came out of the well. While going away, means who is going here? The fox. While going, the fox said, look what you done to yourself because you jumped in without thinking. You jumped without thinking, so you stay here only. and the fox went away. The goat was left in the well here. Okay, so the fox went off and the goat was left in the well only here. This is the story, children. If you want, you can go through the story once again. So the moral of the story is, what is the moral of the story? Before helping to someone, think once. Always. The moral of the story is, before helping to someone, please think once and then help. So here ends the lesson. So I will come in the next class with the next lesson. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.